I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in gear and the immediate setup. Pick closed-back earphones with a decent inline mic so you limit room noise. Once done, position yourself in a treated corner or between cushions to cut reflections. Make sure your device uses the earphone as the input and turn off automatic gain control so levels stay steady. Then open your recorder app, create a new file, set sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and do a quick level check. Once recording starts, focus on technique and active monitoring. You should monitor in one ear so you hear room bleed without being distracted. Make sure the ear opposite the mic is the monitoring side. Keep the mic about 4 to 6 centimeters from your mouth and slightly off-axis. This reduces pops and keeps tone warm. Do several short test takes, speak at performance volume, and adjust gain so your peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. If it clips, lower input immediately. You wrap up by cleaning and exporting your track. Start by trimming excess silences and breaths, then apply gentle noise reduction and a high-pass filter around 80 Hz to remove rumble. Use light compression at about 2:1 with modest makeup gain to even dynamics, and normalize the final file to around -1 dB for delivery. If something goes wrong, for example latency or echo, try direct monitoring, close other apps, and check your cable and jack seating. That usually fixes the common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.